What if you steal Remy's intro and slap your face on top of hers?
What's up? We just put some makeup on. We are getting ready. Welcome back to the vlog. Vlogmas day. I honestly don't even freaking know. Like that's how long we've been doing this. I don't even freaking know. Guys, I tried different lashes today. If you can tell, let me know your thoughts. I got these from Target. If you saw the Target haul, go watch it. I also forget what Vlogmas day that was. But these are the Ardell Demi 120 Naturals. They look like this. I feel like they look really good. I still love my accent ones, don't get me wrong, but like she cute. It's a lot, but it's not too much. But it's still there, but it's not too much, you know? Also, what is this weather? It's fine. I don't think I could ever live in Washington or in any area, anywhere in the world where it rains 24/7 because it gets me in a mood. It gets me like all unmotivated and just, I don't know what it is. It's probably because I grew up in Southern California where we hardly ever had rain or real seasons. But when it's overcast and gray and rainy, I feel like I can't do anything. I'm useless. I do nothing all day. So maybe it's a good thing I live here where it's rare for this to happen. What lip product should I do? I think I'm gonna do the MAC. This is the MAC lip liner in Spice Velvet Teddy. We're just gonna do a little bit. I don't wanna do too much. You guys are gonna laugh. This is not much color in general. It's like still a nude, but in my head, it feels like it's a lot of color for my face. I don't know. I feel like, I don't know. Looks great. I just feel like I'm not used to it. But that's the lip combo of the day. I think I'm going to go get some Starbucks. Cause what else do you do on a cold rainy day, you know? A little drive-through moment. I also desperately need to clean this room. I know, there's literally clothes everywhere. I mentioned this in a recent vlog, but this started breaking and I need to get it fixed. So there was too many clothes on it. It started falling. I freaked out. I put all the clothes on the ground and I still need to kind of get all my shit together because as you can tell, it's just a hot mess. So we gonna fix it. Honestly, maybe that is this vlog because it's been driving me crazy. I'm that type of person where like everything doesn't have to be super clean or neat for me. However, the second it bothers me, I'm done and I can't handle it anymore. And it's very weird. I don't know why I'm like that. Not me always yawning. Oh my God, I think there's like a fire or a car accident. Why does it look like the smoke is coming from where the Starbucks is? We made it. There you go. It's raining, check. Ashley's not feeling the hottest, so I decided to drive through and get her a medicine ball because I'm such an amazing sister. Kidding. Question of the day, comment below what your go-to Starbucks order has been lately. Or coffee order, tea order, whatever, drink order. Comment it below. You know what, low-key, I might get a medicine ball. I love them. I genuinely, when I tell you, like the lemon, the honey, and yes, I indeed did steal Ashley's car. So am I an amazing sister? I don't know. Oh, what is this? Oh no, my lighting. Guys, my lighting was dark all day. I'm so sorry, I had it on the wrong setting. Am I the only one who feels like it does not feel like Christmas? Maybe I haven't listened to enough Christmas music. Maybe that's it, but like, I don't know. It makes me sad.
Howdy, thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can I get started for you?
Hey, can I just get 2 venti medicine balls?
Anything else?
No, that's all.
All right, it is going to be $7.90. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You know what else I need to do when I get home? I desperately, and when I tell you desperately, I mean desperately, need to do some Christmas shopping. Like, what the hell? Christmas is it next week? Christmas is next Saturday. I have like no presents. I have a small one for TK. I have one for my assistant. Other than that, like literally other than that, Oh, no. Just kidding. I lied. I literally just lied. I did order Remy's, which I think she's gonna like. Rem, if you're watching this, you're gonna love it. And I did order Ollie's. The only problem is I'm not sure if it's gonna come in time. We might have to do our gift exchange after Vlogmas. We will see. Honestly, praying it comes in time. That's the worst. Update. Sorry. I don't know why my voice did that. I was gonna say update. The fire or whatever it was clearly is not the Starbucks. I don't know what happened. Perfect. Thank you so much. You too, bye. Oh, what's going on? Stay. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, there's the sun. Honestly, today's a very, very chill day. I really do want to clean out the glam room. I think that is something that's been a long time coming. And Christmas shopping. I think those are like my two main goals for today. At least to get like 1 or 2 more presents. Even just order them. I'm getting nervous that I'm cutting it way too close. It's fine. It's fine. It'll work out. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be grand. It's gonna be excellent. It's gonna be totally fine. Taryn, I know you're editing this, Taryn. I don't know what to get you. Like, obviously I have ideas, you know. I actually would like to brag. I'm pretty good at gifts. Like, I'm good at thinking about gifts, but nothing's coming right now with Taryn. And I'm like, what do I get her? Ashley, I need to get her something for birthday. And, oh no, I actually have one. I have one. I didn't order it, but I have an idea for one and I need to go get that, but I still need her birthday or Christmas. In case you're a new viewer, I always forget that sometimes some of you guys are newer and you don't know everything that I've said over the years. Ashley, my sister, obviously, her birthday is actually on Christmas Day. Growing up, it was kind of shitty. I feel like even now because, you know, all her friends were always busy for her birthday, so she's never really had that many birthday parties or anything like that. One year we did a half birthday for her and that was super fun, but I always try to get her 2 presents just to keep them all separate. Like her birthday's one and Christmas is one. So I need to think of one more thing for her. It's okay, we'll figure it out. We're fine. Baby. Mariah Carey is shook. I might get demonetized. It probably sounds so good. I hope people know when I'm being sarcastic. I've learned I'm very sarcastic, or I sound conceited. Either one. Do what you will with it. Oh, this feels dangerous. Okay, we're back. Here's the before of the actual mess of this room. So, cue time lapse. Let's start. Okay, update. I did a bit, but honestly, it's a little hard to not hang stuff up on here. And the other day, I actually ordered a clothing rack that should be here tomorrow, I think. I'm thinking we take a break from cleaning and we can finish it tomorrow. Because I feel like once I have that clothing rack, then I can actually like hang up everything even more, and then all the clothes will be off the floor and off the couch right here. But until then, I feel like it'll still be messy, so we'll finish that tomorrow. I'm also getting very tired. I'm kind of snacky. Anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully it was long enough. I'm gonna go to bed. I am so exhausted. So sorry if this vlog was not, you know what? I need to stop apologizing for a vlog's length. You know what I mean? Like, I still got a video up. My battery's about to die. Oh my God. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow with a new vlog. I love you so much. Mwah. Bye.